All right, for this winter camp, we made toothpaste, and we put lots of ingredients, maybe 5. I want you guys to say what we put in it. What is this?
Baking soda.
Baking soda, that's right. Now the hard word, can you remember how to say this word? Starch, yeah, very good. All right, and we put some other things in. What is this?
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil, okay, and 2 more.
Salt.
Salt. This is pink salt, but any salt is okay. And the hard word?
Turmeric.
Turmeric, yes, turmeric. It's a tooth whitener, so it's very healthy. So that's what we made our toothpaste. Now we're going to make elephant toothpaste. All right, so for you, I want you to give me 30 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. Give me 30 milliliters. We have safety glasses on because elephant toothpaste could be dangerous. So hydrogen peroxide in the store is 2%. Hairdressers have 6%. We have science hydrogen peroxide, 35%. So we have to be very careful. Okay, can you pour into the flask? Very good, thank you. Now we want soap, dish soap, here. Let's put 20 into the flask. Slowly. That's okay, we have a towel if you spill. Soap is so hard to pour. That's okay. Let's put on the towel. Pour it into the flask. Good enough, good enough. I know soap is so bad. So we'll give it a little mix here. Give it a little mix here. And if you two can switch places, I want you to put the food coloring in here so we can have some color. Now hydrogen peroxide is H2O2, so it has 2 oxygen, and 1 is going to go out, and it will become water, H2O. So that we can see that happening, we want to add soap, so it'll make bubbles. And then we're going to add potassium iodide as a catalyst, and this catalyst will make the oxygen come out very, very fast. So it'll be kind of fun to see. Okay, put back in. Let's go with green. That's good. Faster. Good enough. Okay, now you have safety goggles on? You need to put these on too. The chemical reaction happens so quickly that it can get hot, and we don't want him to get burned with the steam. It will get very hot. And even though it's only soapy water, it still can burn. I better put goggles on too. All right. I know they're kind of hard. This is a saturated solution of potassium iodide, which means it can hold no more, like salt. If you put salt in a solution and you can't hold any more, okay, I got 10 in there, maybe a little more. Oh, I better not do 15. I won't know what's going to happen. Now, where's our flask? Oh, there it is, right there. All right, we're going to put this in the middle, and now you have to pour this in there and then get back. Okay? Are you ready?
No.
You don't want to do it? All right, who wants to do it? Okay, you got to put the gloves on. All right, but you can stand here. Don't worry, you won't get hit. Oh, he's being very safe. That's a good idea. Now we got to make sure it's in the middle. Good enough. Just so you don't get burned. Now hold it like this. Now when you pour it in there, pour it fast and then get back. Okay? It won't hurt you, but just for safety, let's get it rotated. Okay, ready? Pour. Fast. Fast. Elephant toothpaste. See the steam?
Yeah.
That can burn you, so it's very hot. But good job.
对，我只要是感到
All right, sit down. Sit down.